We've got 60 students here today, all hands-on. We had community partners in here earlier today, and they were giving students the real facts on what's out there. They're getting to see what comes after high school.
It just gives a lot of information to the kids and allows them to just get a taste of what is actually out there.
It's an investment in the youth, encouraging them to explore different career opportunities, but also maybe look at some non-traditional pathways.
There are a ton of opportunities nowadays. For example, we hire people at a very entry-level stage coming into a construction industry. As long as they have some kind of familiarity with hand tools and a passion to learn more, then that's what we look for.
It's a growing industry. We see no shortage of work coming in the next 10 years, and we're really looking for skilled individuals who would join us going forward with the work we have.
To hear it coming from the people that are actually doing the hiring and the people that would end up being their bosses, I think it has a lot more impact.
You can never explain something enough to a student. So if they're considering a job in the skilled trades, they have to get hands-on and see if it's something they actually want to do.
It's all part of education, whether we're starting off with elementary schools, with the high schools today, or whether it's in post-secondary education. It's a whole pathway to learning what's the best career for you.
Follow your heart. Everyone started without any experience. It's your willingness to grow, to adapt, to learn that's going to find you success in any trade you choose.